curvature. Okay, so you have a positive crown because you have created all these curves correctly. If you have a negative crown here, it means you have a problem here. So now let us analyze this surface. As you see, it has a negative curvature here, so you should add all these to positive. So how can you do that? By moving this curve, you have created a freeform blend curve here, so you can move this duplicate curve to left and right. Let me just check that. Yes, and also down. True. And maybe editing the CVs here. For example, there isn't much. Okay, something like this. And going to left a little bit. Okay, done. So this is all positive, so we got our results. So this is a very good surface for us. Now let's save that and go to the next part. Next part is having another freeform blend here. I connect the curve to it. So let's connect these two together with the freeform blend with default. And you should have a little crown here. As you see in the pictures, you have a negative crown here, so you should turn this positive to negative. So let me just use a negative crown, a very little negative crown here. And when you align these two surfaces, you have a negative crown here and positive crown here. How? I will show you. Use the align tool. Okay, and use the screw, curvature, and this. That's okay. Now it's connecting curvature. Now let's check the curvature. As you see, the positive is going to change to the negative here. So we have positive crown here, negative crown here. So it's all done, connecting curvature. Very, very good. Okay,